Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a method that you can use to fix the error while communicating with Rocket League servers. So if you're using Epic Games, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your library and you'll have to find your Rocket League game. So here I have Garden Story, but you can use this as an example. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to find your Rocket League game here, and you'll see this 3-dot button at the bottom. Press on that, and then you'll see this manage. So press on that, click on that. After that, you'll see this tab, and you'll see verify files at the top. You'll have to press verify, and what it will happen is Epic will verify all the game files of the Rocket League installed on your device, and if they find any glitches or error or any corrupt files, they will fix it. And what you can do is then you can simply launch Rocket League, and hopefully your issue will be fixed by. Also, if you're using Steam, what you can do is similarly go to library, and you'll have to right click on Rocket League and go to properties, and you'll see installed file section. Press on that, and then after pressing you'll see verify the integrity of the files button. There is one, so all you have to do is press on that, and Steam will verify the files for Rocket League as well, and it may solve your issue. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.